In the name of God, welcome the 11th episode of Learning AutoCAD. In this episode, if you are remembering in precision, we talk about the installation of the walls, doors, windows, stairs. But in this episode, I want to talk about that how we can hatch our column in those points that we have intersection point. We have a column actually. And we have to set our column, and then we have to set our boundary in here, and also in here we have another stair. So let's start. First of all, I want to install a peak for our stair, because when you go down into hub, there will be a sun coming through, reflect in your eyes, and you maybe fell in the stair. So in that case, we have to get a actually peak in our window. So we have to install the peak. In here we can get a 500. Then in this side also we can get a 500. Then you have to come up to 45 degree and 300, and then in here also 45 and 300. Then you have to join these two with this, like this, and you can extend this, and you can trim this portion very easy. Then in here also we can draw a line up to in this side. So in which dimension? And then we can come 4 to 2 4. Then in here also we can get a center, so now in here we can get a 1000 step. 1000 is less, we can get up to 1500. It's also less, we can get 1800. It's okay now. Then we in here we have to change our, so at the end we can get much property. So we have to get our stuff 300, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then you can join it with Eric. And then we can extend this, and we can trim this part. And then in here we can get a line up to in here. We can also join this with Eric, and we can trim this. Then in here we can extend this up to this part. Then we can change the line. No. Into, you can get match property. This stair with all of these lines. Then here also we can get a offset of 150, and in here also we can define a boundary 5 feet and 10 feet. How we can define this boundary? You have to change 5 feet into millimeter. So you know that 1 feet is a 0.3048 meter, and 1 meter is a 3.28 feet, and 1 meter is a 1000 millimeter. So we have to get 0.3048 multiple to 5 because we have 5 feet, and multiple to 1000 because 1 meter is a 1000 millimeter. It becomes 150.24. Come 150.24 and up to in here. Then we have to change the 10 feet also into millimeter. 10 multiple to 0.3048 multiple to 1000, 3048. Then we have to go up to 3048, and then come also up to this. No, and then here we have to come 150.24, and then also, and then 348, and then we can get our offset. Is actually boundary for our test, and then we have to hatch the also columns in each point that we have an intersection. Here, 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 this, 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 okay, and here also we have to come up to 150, and we have a column also in here. Then you have to hatch it, and we finished with the all of the column. So it is all about the columns, boundaries, peak, and this stair. In the next episode, we will talk about the furniture and how we can install the furniture. Have a nice time, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe to the Civil Home YouTube channel.